Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to connect few words, few adjectives in comparative and superlative degree which are quite confusing. There are few examples are given here. Later, latest, later and last. Here, later and latest refers to time. We can go through the example also. I will come later. It is denoting the time at which I will come. I will come later. I do not have the latest news. The news which is latest or maybe the recent one. That means it here later and latest. These two adjectives of comparative and superlative degree are showing the relevance with respect to time. Okay. Now later and last. These two words refer positions. We can understand this with the help of an example. The last chapter is not very well written. The last chapter. That means we already know about the positions first, second, third, and the last. The last is showing the position, the last chapter. And in second example, the former is efficient, but the later is not. Again, here later represents the order or the position of a person. Former shows the first one and the later the second person. Therefore, the again here last and okay. Now there are few more words like elder, eldest, older, and oldest. See the difference here. Elder and eldest is a elder is a comparative degree and eldest is a superlative degree of for the word old. Okay, all these degrees elder, eldest, older, oldest, all these are the comparative and superlative degree of the word for the word old, but how these are used is different. So let's see elder and eldest. Elder and eldest are used for those persons which are mostly when we are talking about our own family, our near and dear ones. Just like we can see in the example, I will speak to my elder brother. Okay, as a brother is a part of my family, so I will use elder. Okay, but we can see the next one also when where we can use the older and oldest. It can be used with a person as well as for things also. You are older than me. As you are not the part of my family, I can use older. If you are the part of my family, I will use elder. Okay, that's the difference about it. Now, uh, father and father. These two words are quite confusing, but don't get confused. Listen this carefully. That father denotes a distance between 2 points. Okay, when we are talking about the distance with respect to 2 points, then we use father. Let's see the example. Let us walk a little farther. Okay, we are referring to the distance. Let us walk something more, something little bit more. Okay, and further means something additional. Just see the example. We will have no further discussion on this. No further discussion. We have already discussed much, but there is no need to discuss it more. There is no additional discussion is required. Okay, here that's why it's denoted for only distance. Similarly, nearest and next. Here, nearest denotes the nearness in space or distance. When we are talking about the distance, we will use nearest. Okay, just like an example, I walked to the nearest post office. The post office which is near to my house. I'm going to that post office. Okay, and whereas next denotes order or position. Okay, next is order or position. As it is shown in example, She sat next to me, just besides me. Okay, nearness. Near. These are these are the words, comparative words: inferior, superior, junior, and senior. In this, when we use these words in our sentences, we never use then after using these words. These words are always followed by to. Okay, let's see the example. He is junior to all his colleagues. If we write he is junior than all his colleagues, this becomes wrong. Okay, we have to use always to whenever we use these words: inferior, superior, junior, or senior. Okay. Similarly, one more example is here. These books are superior to those published last year. After superior, we have used. With this, I am going to end up my session.